What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are unboxing the Xbox One Turtle Beach Elite Pro 2 headset, wired plus super amp. So this is the headset for the pros, or is it for the pros, or is it not for the pros? But anyways, we are gonna unbox this, and as you can see here, you have the Splice and the Optic Gaming logo. So yeah, apparently these pros recommend this headset to use, and it is like top-notch, high quality, best of the best. I don't know. Y'all in the comments below, let me know if this is the best of the best. We're about to unbox this, cut the little tabs here, because it has tape, stickers, or whatever it is. Let's go ahead and slide it out. Oh man, it's a little hard. Nothing inside the box besides the cover art, you know, explanations, what's inside, compatibilities, connections, as you can see here. It is USB and a 3.5mm jack. Compatibility, Xbox One, PC. So yeah, you can use these on your Xbox One and on your Windows 10 PC. I'm not 100% sure if you can use this on Windows 7 or Vista or 8. You might want to try, or if I do try it, I will let you know in the comments below and giving y'all an update. Let's go ahead and move this to the side and look at the box. You do get a nice fancy dark black box with the gold, well it's not gold, it's kind of like chrome or mirror, Turtle Beach logo. So you got the little palm trees, you got the triangle, you got Turtle Beach, and it's pretty much black all the way around. It's a black box. And on the side you do get Turtle Beach Elite. So again, take this tab off, see what we have, and voila. Of course, for starters, you do get like a little introductory note or letter. Here you have Elite Pro 2 plus Super Amp Pro Performance Gaming Audio System. This is Turtle Beach. The pursuit of perfection drives us. Blah, 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 and blah, together we are elite. So besides being elite, take this little plastic cover because we don't need it. And inside the box, there you have it. The Turtle Beach Headset Elite Pro 2. For starters, let's go ahead and check out the little, little headset. Of course, you got your USB connection. You got your little out cable. And then you got your little headset cable as well. So this is the wired version. This isn't the wireless. So in the back, you do have Turtle Beach. And of course, here it says designed and engineered by Turtle Beach in San Diego, Bluetooth. So yeah, Bluetooth compatibility as well. Here you have a little sticker that says download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub app, available on iOS and Android. So pretty much you got to download the app to control this type of headset. So I might download and do a review sometime soon in the future. All right, taking out the headset out of the box. You do got this little protective, oh damn, was that supposed to happen? Shit. Anyways, you do got the little protective film on the ear cups. So, what is this? Well, I guess it was supposed to happen. So these are kind of like the Astro 850s or 840s, the little mod ones where you can buy little mod kits and pretty much replace the ear cups. You know, you got the magnets as well. So, voila, take it off again. And I think I just broke it. Anyways, go back here, take it off, slap it on, and you're good to go. Build quality, man, this is kind of sturdy. I don't know what this is. This is this is tape. I guess QC, quality control, left tape behind. So here above the head, you do got your, brushed stainless steel or aluminum. I think this is stainless steel. So if you can see that there, and you got their logo etched, Turtle Beach. And you do got a little nice comfortable strap that goes around your head. It's cushiony, so I think it's pretty good. Of course, you can twist them, expand them. Oh man, these are, boom. Expanded ear cups, that's how you do it. I was trying to expand like the whole thing, but I was like, how the hell do you do this? The ear cups, I don't know, they feel a little soft and squishy. So it looks like they might be comfortable. So, like I said, I'm going to do a review, check them out, see how good they are, compare them to the Razer Threshers that I got for the PS4 and Xbox One. Of course, you can flip them sideways. You do got the visual of the inside of the ear cup. So there's nothing here. So I'm guessing full-on speaker. So, ear cups come off too. That's pretty dope. Check that out. Oh, I missed that one. Check this one out too. I think this one comes off too. Oh, yep, comes off. But yeah, look at that. I think this is stainless steel as well, or some type of ceramic. But yeah, you can see the speaker here. Pretty big speaker, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, these might blow my ears, who knows? And yeah, look at the ear cups, they move, they expand. I guess they move with your head movement. So that's pretty cool, that's something new I haven't seen in a headset. Now down here in the bottom, you do have for the connections for your mic and your headset. So here you have it, if you can see it there, microphone and your headset. So this goes plugged in to this. So here you have the microphone, and voila, there you go. And yeah, of course you do have it here. So let's put this thing down. So this is the white version. PS4s are the black version. I might pick up the white Xbox One X once it comes out, and the Elite controller as well. So overall, build quality looks nice, not too heavy. I like the fact that you can remove the ear cups and the back earpieces as well. So it looks like you could, slap on your favorite esport team, Optics, Splice, Final Feature Gaming coming soon. So yeah, that's it for the headset. Not much to it, just white, and the connections down here, removable cups and ear ends, and yeah, you can lay these on your chest. And I do like this part right here, the Turtle Beach stainless steel. All right, moving on inside the box, you get a little nice little cushy foam. You got some bio dry do not eat packets, so don't eat those. And of course you got some literature. I don't know if y'all want to see that. Literature Elite Pro Super Amp. So it looks like just a book. I thought it was a CD. Here in the box you do get your accessories. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what type of accessories we get. Of course, it's probably just all the cables and the mic. Here you can see it there. Close up look. Turtle Beach accessories. Pull this out. Nothing in the box. Oh, I dropped the microphone. Holy crap, I dropped the microphone. Alright, so this one says connect to the end of the headset. So yeah, you do connect this to the headset. You do have your little controls here around this tape, so let's take this off. So I'm not 100% sure if this is mute. Yeah, this is the mute button. So check that out. Not muted, mute it. Mute it, mute it, mute it, mute it, mute it, mute it. And these are the connections here. Right there, I don't know if you can see them. So this goes to your headset and to the preamp. So let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. And I got this little piece of tape here. Tear this one up. And of course, this is the USB cable that goes to your Xbox, to your preamp. So here you have this here. So you connect this here. And voila, that's connected. And this other end goes to your Xbox. And that's when you control it, do your app. And I don't know, so far it's a solid build, Another cool thing is you do get a removable microphone. So if you don't want a mic, you can take it out and put it up somewhere. And yeah, bendable, very flexible. So take this little plastic piece here. Show you the little Turtle Beach logo. I don't know what type of material. Oh, it's like a little cushion, little pad. And here you have the little ribbed. Let me show you out here. There you go. You got the little rib edges. So this is pretty flexible, I'm not gonna lie. So it looks like you can't break it. And here you have the connection. So you plug this in to your headset and voila, you're good to go. There you go, Turtle Beach. I guess the one con I have so far is you can't really move it to the side or anything. Or, usually you can flip them up. It looks like you're pretty much stuck like this unless you can flip it. Nope, you can't even twist it. So I guess that's a con for me, which is okay. I guess I can live with it because really you could just take it off and that's it. Or, just put it back on and that's pretty much it. Alright, so there you have it. This is the unboxing of the Turtle Beach Elite Pro 2 plus Super Amp, the wired version. Hopefully there's a wireless that I might pick up. And of course, GT, I pick up everything pretty much that's gaming or tech related. So yeah, you got your headset, you got your mic, you got your USB cable, you got your amp, and of course the box, the packaging. Overall, it looks like a decent, solid headset, but Black Ops 4 is coming out in a couple days. And I'm gonna put this bad boy to the test and see if this is a real pro, true to pro headset. and I will let y'all guys and gals know if y'all should be picking this up or not. I want to thank y'all guys and gals for watching the video, supporting me, supporting the channel. You know, I really appreciate y'all, so I really want to give y'all thanks. And like I said, I'm gonna give away some copies of Black Ops 4, which I actually am on my team channel, so make sure you go check it out in the Twitter below. Right now, that is it for now. I will be uploading the unboxing of Call of Duty 4 Black Ops 4 mystery boxes for the PlayStation 1 and, well, why did I say PlayStation 1? PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. That's what I meant. Once again, thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT, signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.